Hello, my name is Phillip Goza. I'm an audio-visual programmer based out of Houston, Texas. I'm wearing my Harman shirt today because I started in this business as an AMX programmer, and I am a certified AMX programmer. But today I'm going to talk about Crestron programming. I'm going to show you a very simple program which is a good example of what I might start with on a programming project. So this program won't do anything yet, except it's a great tool for clarifying with your customer or end user how they would like their touch panel to work. You'll be able to see the flow of the touch panel from one page to the next. The buttons won't do anything, but that's okay because we might not know exactly what equipment we're using when we start the project. All we're looking for is just a simple and logical way to get the required page and button layout finalized, and also to begin work on some of the graphic elements. I'm going to go behind the scenes and show how it's built. This might be interesting for folks that are in the process of learning Crestron. There's another video I've made which shows how to create a Simpl Plus module. This video puts some of the elements of that first video to use. In this first clip, I click through the pages on the touch panel. There's a page that appears when the system is turned off. There's a page where you select either a direct laptop connection or a wireless presentation device such as a Barco ClickShare. There's an audio conference and a video conference page, each with speed dial buttons.
Enchanted by you, you made me complete with the sweet.
The shutdown button takes you to another page where you confirm whether you really want to shut down. Each button always takes you to a specific page, except what about the button that goes back if you don't really want to shut down? This will be mainly for my programming audience, but I talk about that in this video, and I show how I addressed that issue in the Simpl Plus module. In the next clip, I show you how I define the inputs and outputs to the Simpl Plus module. I have 7 inputs. The first one is called prog start. There are 6 page flip inputs. The module has 2 outputs. One is called cur page, short for current page. It will tell the Simpl program which page the touch panel should be on. The Simpl program still has one step to do to make this happen, but most of the page flipping here is done in the Simpl Plus module. As I'm used to writing code on a line-by-line basis, I prefer this approach. The other output is called prev page, short for previous page, and it isn't actually used by the Simpl program. It's used internally by the Simpl Plus module. The only other code we need is shown here. I didn't make any comments in this program, which I probably would do normally, but I'm explaining everything now. Notice that page flip 5 sets the current page, but not the previous page. Prog start sets the current page and previous page to page 6, which happens to be the start power off page. The other page flips set current page and previous page to be the same value. Page flip 5 sets current page to 5, but does not set the previous page value. This is actually the power button. We don't set the previous page value because that should always take us 2 steps back to whatever page we were on before we touched the power button. Page flip 7 is the no button on the shutdown confirm. It just sets the current page equal to the previous page. This clip will show my Simpl Plus module as it occurs in the Simpl Editor. Sorry for some of my signal names, I haven't changed them to be clearer yet. Page flips 2, 3, and 4 are coming from the bottom menu of the touch panel. Page flip 5 is the power button. Page flip 6 is the confirm or yes button. Page flip 7 is the no button. Our Simpl program only needs changes on 4 objects. Our X panel object is where we get the 3 power buttons, yes, no, and cancel. The Smart object under the X panel is our horizontal tab bottom menu. And I also show the Simpl Test module that I created and an analog equate. Here is what the analog equate looks like. I don't show how these signals link directly to the feedback join numbers on the X panel object, but that is what drives the page flips on the touch panel. In VT Pro, this is how I laid out the pages and subpages. This concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will mention that I have been programming AV systems such as this one for 7 years. I have experience with AMX, Biamp, Harman BSS Audio, QSys, Crestron, and too many more to count. I would be happy to help you with the programming project.
So sweetly we